first.
You go ahead if you want to start.
You first?
You go.
Ik tip je.
Ik tip
Ik
wel.
tip je zo.
Ready with you one more tip you. Come here, then I win. You're not gonna put it on the you beat me.
You can't express you.
I'm gonna give my next one. Come. I'm gonna get a chance. Come. You take a turn. You take a turn.
That's what me I laugh now,
Take a turn.
Yes, me calm down.
This is the ultimate battle.
My time now, nigger. Yes.
Come. You're not done yet. Come.
Huh?
No, come. More.
Want tap in, Maya? Want tap in?
Come.
Tap in. No.
1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm hand if you lick now, where you lick down your sago.
I almost a while ago.
1, 2, 3, go. You miss it?
No?
You
You must
miss.
catch it to lie.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Not it, come sorry for you.
1, 2, 3, go. 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 We not done yet. Come.
Oh, Justin!
Come. Let me hear you play. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Me slip.
Me know.
Mommy, can I join?
Maya can't.
Come
Can
here, there.
Yes, I can.
go up somewhere.
Why you would get one is to be like, why is this so expensive?
Whoopie-dee-doo.
Why you want those anime character? Are you guys done?
You know how many songs is.
Are you guys done?
You know how many songs, Sean.
Yeah, they come again now. We don't know the day.
Poor hand. They can't put no nice even though you feel.
So, oh, you want to touch me, so? But me if you turn hallelujah, man, so. Come, hold your hand.
Oh! Oh! Me have to give it to you.
Come.
Mommy.
Watch Maya, Sean.
Nobody said I get cheated this game.
Sean, come my hand.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, boring. Look at Maya hand. Come Maya, your time. Maya put on 4 socks.
Come, Maya.
Maya said nobody can say I can cheat in
1, 2,
this
3,
game.
go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Maya, Huh?
So full up, let me put it in the
You pull up? Mm-hmm. Put here, put there, here.
Put my trauma. Everybody wants
Umbrella. Mm-hmm. Move Maya. It's cold. Enough water, Michelle? So what she was supposed to?
This is our veranda.
The washroom.
Look up, this is our washroom.
That's what we do with the washroom. Washroom.
It's literal.
So I'm standing in the washroom. And it's raining.
Slippers washing away.
Literally, washroom. Yeah. That's why we need to get this party sufficient.
Maya, you're going. Take off my shoes.
No, Maya, go on inside.
Take off my shoes.
Stay on the veranda. Pick up your slippers. Move, Maya, move. It's a whole lot of water. Huh? The drum, the jug. We're having rain. Heavy rain, the barrel outside, that big barrel. It's full. And the water is running out. The water running up.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kind of feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bold.